this video, I'm going to explain how to use Noodletools to organize our digital note cards. This is the second week of our research project. Last week, you were asked to locate a moment that you would like to tell a story about. You filled out a graphic organizer. This is an exemplar, an example of what you should have done. You should have at least one photograph with a description, at least one quote, a summary paragraph talking about your moment, and then two sources of information. What we are going to be doing is building on this research. And for this week, we are going to be researching the background. Specifically, what are the social, economic, and political events, right here, the social, economic, and political events that led to your moment happening. What moment am I talking about? I'm talking about this moment right here that you filled out. So to do this, we need to go to Noodletools. Once you're in Noodletools, you open up your project. You can see that the research question is, what is my moment? That is no longer the research question. So I'm going to go over to my new research question. I'm going to copy it. Got to make sure we actually copy the right part. We're going to replace it. This is my new research question. So I've shown you the sources tab. The sources tab are where you add sources and where you add note cards. What I'd like to show you in this video is the note card tab. Now, I know some of you have already gone here and started experimenting, but your note card tab is where all of your note cards go. So you can see here, I have a stack of note cards. If I were to separate out these note cards, each of these is a title. By hovering over it, I can see the information that I've put in here. And you can see that obviously this is the examples that I actually have been doing in class. If I want additional details, I can hit details here. This is a virtual tabletop that I can move around. This is the bird's eye view. If I click detail, it will show me each note card, and it will actually show me all of the material one by one. The part that I want to talk to you about is this organizer that's over here. This organizer can really help us. For instance, right now you see topic and subtopic. What we can do is we can break up our research questions and then assign note cards to a particular topic. Let me demonstrate. I'm going to go back to the tabletop view that's right here. The first question that we had to research, so I'm going to double click on the topic. The first question was, what was my moment? You should have a bunch of note cards that answer this topic. Now, taking aside these subtopics for a minute, I'm actually going to go and select this subtopic, and I'm going to use this arrow right here, and I'm going to make this a separate topic. This topic is actually the research question that we're looking up for this week. So, but what is my moment? This was last week's activity. These note cards should answer these questions. So what I'm going to do is take the note card, drag it over to the question, and drop it. And you can see now there's a little check mark. This card has been assigned. The information is right here. So what I can do is I can go through here and I can add the note cards that deal with my moment. It helps organize you. So now when I'm answering this question, I know this is where I'm actually going to answer the question. These are the note cards I'm going to use. When you started last week, you only had a few note cards, so you didn't really need to do this organization method. But now you are doing note cards on a new topic. Now is the time to actually get started. So we have this one right here. What social, economic, and political events led up to my moment happening? You know what? That question actually deals with three potential topics. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to select the question, go up to the plus, and I'm going to add what's called a subtopic. And I'm going to look at just the social. I can come over here and add, well, here's the thing. It all depends on what's highlighted. By default, you would have to go over to here, click plus, add another subtopic. That would be economic. Or what you could do is just select the child and hit the enter key, and it will create another subtopic. And I can write political. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do research, and my goal is to add 9 new note cards. Well, you have 3 potential topics, so that means you really should have about 3 new note cards for each of these. How do I know what I have? Well, I'm going to look through this material. This note card deals with social. This deals with social. This deals with economic. This card deals with social. Okay. So looking at my organizer, now when I'm looking to see, well, what research do I need to do? I know I pretty much have the social aspect down. Now I need to research a little bit more about economic, and I really need to get into the political aspect of my event. So this is how an organizer helps you. If you make a mistake, you found out that this actually belongs in political, you can just click and drag it. If you don't want to use it at all, you can drag it outside and it will go away. You'll notice that the card is not deleted. It was just deleted from this organizer. And that's how you organize your note cards. Have a great day, guys.